demanding 12 billion shillings from the government, and James Orengo, the governor, who's actually here on Citizen TV right now, says that you are demanding this money, and yet some of your people are in government, especially John Mbadi, the Treasury CS.
I heard him saying that.
So is this unity working for you?
You know, he understands the Constitution. Even if Mbadi is the CS, he does not walk with money in his pocket and can just dish it when it's demanded. We have procedures. We have a parliament that passes these budgets for anything to happen. If it's not in the initial budget, the supplementary budget carries some of these teething issues that prop up. So he should know that we have procedures that can be followed. It is our right as a party. This money has been accumulating. We want it so that we can run our events.
Have you had a conversation with the people in government, and what are they saying?
They are
because
aware,
it's not in the budget.
They are aware, and we are going to do something about it soon. So let Orengo relax. Okay. Yeah, let him relax.
Have you had some commitments about the payment of this money? Because it's not in the budget.
It will be in the negotiation. Okay. Because you cannot be my friend, or you are the wife I want to marry, but you're already breaching some things. It means we might not marry each other. Okay. Yeah, but we need that money as a party. It is our right. It's not like even if we didn't go into a coalition, it is still our right.
Okay. So what else will be in the negotiation? You've also added this one now.
So how to the zoning thing that has been causing some